fear in maths. You have to find the path to overcome fear in maths. You will get success in that. To overcome fear in maths, you will get success in that.
Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Math Class. Hope you all are fine in this pandemic situation and you all have been promoted to your new classes. So today I am going to discuss about cube and cuboid. First of all, we should know about what is cube and what is cuboid, and later we will find how to we find out the volume of cube and cuboid. So what is cube? See, this is like cube. Cube means its basic shape is like square. All this length, width, height, all sides are same and equal. So I am going to show you some thing here, then you people can understand. So this is cube, okay. And these are the sides. All sides are equal like square. So all sides are like A and A. So in cube, number of edges are 12, because see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So edges are 12. Then number of vertices one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of vertices are 8, and here number of faces means these things, 1, back 2, here 3, here 4, up 5 and down 6. I will show it here. 1 face, 2 face, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these are the number of faces. Whose faces? That is cube face. So number of faces are 6. So here, so I will give you one example, that is like this is cube, then ice block also a example of cube, then dice. So all those things are our real life example of cube. So here volume of cube means side into side into side, means length into width into height. Okay, so all these are same, so that's why I wrote here side into side into side means side cube. So this is the way we will get volume of a cube. So now I am going to show you one example how to find out volume of a cube as a problem sum. Here I drawn one cube where all sides are 4 centimeter. So how we will find out the volume of this cube? So I write here volume of cube equal to side cube. So here all the sides are 4 centimeter. (64 centimeter cube). So this is the way we got our result, means volume of a cube, that is 64 centimeter. Okay. So now I will show you cuboid. How we will find out the volume of cuboid. Now I will discuss about cuboid. Cuboid means where basic shape is like rectangular. So I will draw it here. So here also number of edges equal to 12, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so number of faces, that is also 6. Like this is box, this is also a cuboid. So here faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of faces 6. Number of vertices, that is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 3 things are same as cube, but basic shape it is rectangular, and that basic shape of cube, that is square. So here length means L, breadth means breadth or width we can denote by W, and height we can denote by H. So here volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth in and height. L into W into H. So this is our formula of volume of cuboid. So now I am going to show one problem sum, then you people can get it properly. Here I took length, it is 8 centimeter, width 5 centimeter and height, that is 3 centimeter. So L equal to 8, width that is 5 centimeter and height it is 3 centimeter. So now volume of cuboid, that is L into W into H, 8 into 5 into 3 centimeter cube. So this is the way we got the result, that is 120 centimeter. And the example of cuboid in our daily life, that is some box, matchbox, then book, eraser. So all those things, fridge, all those things are our real life example of cuboid. I will show you one more example where we should find out the length of a cuboid based on height, width and volume. The volume of an iron box is 140 meter cube. If the breadth means width, okay, and height of the boxes are 7 meter and 2 meter. So here W means 7 meter and H means 2 meter. So I will write it here, 7 meter and H, that is 2 meter. And they have mentioned the volume of an iron box. So we should write here volume of an iron box, that is 140 meter cube. So here we will find out the length. Okay, so length of, so this is our formula, that is length of iron box equal to volume by breadth. Breadth means W into height H. So here volume, that is 140 and our width 7 and height is 2. 7 into 2 meter. So 140 by 14 meter. So it will come 10 meter. So this is the way we got our length. Length is 10 meter. So if they will ask in other problem sum, if they will ask find out the width, so very easy, we should write it here, width of iron box, that is volume by length into height. So same way height also we can easily find out, volume by width and length, width into length. So today I am going to end my class here. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon, then you people can get all the notification in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.